The hardest battles are not loud. The hardest battles are quiet. No cameras, no one is watching, no applause. No applause either. Same morning. Same morning. One builds structure. One builds structure. The other avoids it. The other avoids it. Routine doesn't need motivation. Routine doesn't need motivation. It runs even when you're tired. It keeps moving even when you're tired. Most days, training isn't exciting. Most days, training isn't fun. No pump either. No rush, no high either. Just work. Just work. That's why it works. That's why it produces results. Comfort feels good now. It feels good now. Routine feels boring now. Routine is boring now. But boredom builds strength. Boredom builds strength. One day doesn't change you. One day changes nothing. But days stacked together do. But when they stack up, things change. Routine compounds. Routine works with compound interest. Excuses compound too. Excuses are the same. Eventually, it's no longer a choice. Eventually, it's no longer a choice. It becomes who you are. That becomes you. You don't decide every day. You don't decide every day. You just follow your identity. You just follow your identity. Same life. Same life. Different habits. Different habits. The gap is no longer invisible. The gap can no longer be hidden. Routine will expose you. 習慣はお前を抱く。Soon, もうすぐ、everyone will see. 全員が見ることになる。